This is your sign to book a Universal Orlando vacation in 2024. Planning a vacation for your family can be a daunting task, but there's no better place to go for a vacation than Universal Orlando Resort.
Universal Orlando consists of 3 parks. If you want to ride the movies, then Universal Studios is going to be for you. If you want to see your favorite books come to life, then Islands of Adventure is definitely going to be your jam. And if you want to experience the ultimate water park in Orlando, Volcano Bay is definitely going to be for you. We think that the best experience, though, is to visit all 3, which is why you need to plan to visit every single one of them.
Why should people come to Universal in 2024?
No other park or entity does the events better or the same way. When you think about other parks, yes, they serve beignets, yes, they might give you a beat or two, but there's no parade, there's no exclusive food, there's no exclusive merch, there's no event to attend. HHN, no one does this event as premier as Universal does with their movie quality. You can't beat that anywhere else.
The House of Mouse is not the only place that has options for kids and families. Universal's Minions Land is great for your little ones, from the Minions Cafe, Pop Banana popcorn cart, and all the other fun Minions attractions. Universal is always working on something new. This last year, in 2023, they launched Minions Land, and coming up in 2025, they have Epic Universe on the way. Things are growing and getting bigger all the time. In studios, where we're at today, they even have a section for DreamWorks that they're working on that should open in 2024. This is the best time to book your vacation so you can come, experience it all, and get ready for Epic Universe.
Where else are they gonna go?
Crazy. Also, this might be an unpopular opinion, but the meet and greets at Universal are way better.
We love Universal!
The reason why people should come to Universal Studios in 2024, the thing that I'm looking forward to the most is Mardi Gras. It starts in less than a month. The vibes are great. The parade is fantastic. The beignets are top tier. There's a lot to look forward to at the park this year in 2024. So come, definitely make a trip to Universal Studios. It's awesome. We'd love to have you.
If you want the most immersive experience possible in the Wizarding World, as well as the other movies that Universal hosts in the park, you gotta come here. Meet Stanley Shunpike, the Night Bus, the Shrunken Head, and go into Diagon. You haven't fully lived until you've escaped from Gringotts and grabbed a butterbeer afterwards.
Am I meant to pose?
Hey, Wagwan, how you doing?
Can you answer a question for us?
Maybe. What's the question?
Why should people come to Universal in 2024?
I don't know. If they want to, I guess.
Not even to come see you?
Universal?
Yeah.
Why should they come see us?
Why should they come see the Night Bus?
Hold on, what did you say, Shrunkenhead?
If you want to see us, you come to London.
Yeah, come to London if you want to see
You don't
us.
gotta travel around the universe.
So
Yeah.
people should come to London to see you.
Right.
Fudge Factor in the house. It's 2024. It's Universal time. He's gonna tell you all about what to do and what to see and what to have fun here at Universal Studios. Chomp, 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 chomp. I hope we see all you guys the next time. Chomp, 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 chomp.
Universal Orlando has the best water park in Florida. From walking through the inside of a volcano to shooting from the top all the way to the bottom, you have all types of water rides. If you want to spend a relaxing day laying out by the pool or get a little bit of a thrill, go to Volcano Bay during your next Universal trip.
One of our favorite things to do at Volcano Bay is 1, enjoy a flatbread. 2, after said flatbread, jump in the lazy river to digest. If thrill rides are more your jam, we're gonna go check out the best roller coaster in all of Orlando.
Reason number 3,672 to come to Universal in 2024, because Fudge Factor's here.
We love Universal!
Spider-Man to Seuss. At Islands of Adventure, you can meet a real live velociraptor, you can ride Hagrid's motorbike, and you can just walk around a beautiful park. Islands of Adventure has so many options. If we haven't convinced you yet to make a vacation to Universal in 2024, here's 3 more reasons why you need to. Mardi Gras, Halloween Horror Nights, and Grinchmas. 3 seasonal events can't be missed, and it's so hard to pick just one. So, you should schedule a visit for all 3.
Where have you been to a place that's like Hogsmeade? I know, you should come visit it. For one thing, they have amazing butterbeer. Yeah, oh yeah, that's... Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh I know, trust me on that one. Yeah, my favourite spell, Accio butterbeer.
We love Universal!
The top ride in all of Orlando has got to be Velocicoaster. But one of the key selling points for Velocicoaster is not the ride itself. It is the incredible queue, the animatronic, and all the details. The queues are absolutely amazing in every single ride at Universal. It's one of those things that truly enhances the story and the ride itself. Even if you don't want to ride, be sure to check out the queues. Now, if you're sold from the parks, you might be thinking, okay, where do I stay? Guess what? We're not locals either. So we need a place to stay while we're here at Universal. There are tons of on-site hotels at every price point that have amazing theming and amazing perks to help you enhance your days at the parks.
Every hotel at Universal is absolutely fantastic, all for different reasons. We've stayed at them all, and if you're curious about learning more, we'll link videos about each of them in the box below. And our final reason why you need to book a trip to Universal in 2024 is because this is the best place to make memories together. Whether it's your first time or your 100th time visiting, there's always something that you can connect and enjoy as a family, with your friends, and with the people you love.
If you got anything out of this video, we think you'll love the exclusive content that we have on our Patreon, so go check it out. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.